Welcome to another audiovisual series of teaching practice manual, specially packaged for DSC students preparing to proceed on a 6-week teaching practice. The title of this lecture is Dress Code During Teaching Practice, prepared by Dr. R.A. Anima Shaun from the Department of Counseling and Human Development Studies, University of Ibadan, Nigeria. Let me start by asking you this question. What is the significance of dressing? Definitely, you have an idea. But let us look at this together as I take you through this lecture. A dress could be conceptualized as a wear or anything put on to cover the body. It adds more to the natural beauty of man. It is used for a particular purpose, and specifically to distinguish humans from animals. The main implication of the above is that when any human being does not put on a wear or put on nude dresses, it means such a person is not different from animals, or possibly he or she is out of his or her mind. That is insanity or madness as setting. There is a popular slogan: the way you dress is the way you are addressed. This means that a person can dress to command respect or disrespect. One can dress to command honor or dishonor and disgrace. And most importantly, our dresses portray the type of a person we are and the kind of home we come from. Our dress is a peculiar type of non-verbal communication. It actually expresses our feelings, thinking, or wishes. It could be interpreted to mean that we are advertising ourselves or arresting the attention of others for nefarious purposes. What then is a dress code? A dress code refers to a specific wear by certain groups of people, profession, organization, or for specific social functions with the aim of enhancing organizational goals, boosting self-image, or for group cohesion and satisfaction. Hence, there are specific dress codes for certain careers, such as medical, law, military, paramilitary, banking, accountancy, clergy, etc. The teaching profession is not an exception. Teaching is a noble career that helps in the transmission of cultural heritage of a society from one generation to the other by nurturing the learners to achieve their desired life goals. Hence, teachers are called nation builders. This is to say that teachers are a special kind of people that serve as role models for the young ones. Therefore, teachers need to dress moderately well to carry out their professional duties. As a quick reminder, teaching practice refers to the professional practice carried out by pre-service teachers or teachers in training. This is the period when education students practically utilize all their skills acquired from all their theoretical orientations to transmit knowledge to students. Dress code during teaching practice, therefore, refers to the acceptable, preferable, desirable, and ethically approved kinds of wears that all student teachers should put on during the period of their professional practice, bearing in mind that they serve as role models for the young ones. Now, let us examine the generally approved dress code during the teaching practice. Number 1 is your hairdo. Moderately cut hair is recommended. All kinds of nonsensical fashion hairdos should be avoided. Men should avoid overgrown ears, while ladies should avoid a kind of long or overblown ears that disturb them while communicating or writing on the board. Number 2, makeup. Moderate and non-destructive makeup is recommended for ladies. Moreover, on no occasion should men engage in any kind of makeup. However, any kind of makeup that makes a lady look like a masquerade is a violation of ethical principle. Number 3, necklace or chains. Ladies are allowed to use moderate and non-destructive neck chains, but men should not put on a necklace or chain. Number 4, use of bangles. While ladies may put on non-destructive bangles, men should not put on bangles at all. Number 5, earrings. Only ladies are allowed to put on earrings. On no account should men put on any kind of earrings. Also, ladies should not put on any kind of destructive earrings. In fact, big earrings are not allowed. Number 6, nose rings. On no account should anybody put on nose rings. Leg bangles or rings. This is totally forbidden among student teachers. Number 8, clothing. Nude clothes or any kind of dresses that show sensitive parts of the body are forbidden. Now let us distinguish between men's and ladies' wear and critically examine each for better clarifications. Men's wears. The following should characterize what you put on as a man during your teaching practice exercise. Number 1, simple, non-destructive, smart, and very neat wears should be the desire of all male students. Number 2, corporate wears are desirable. Number 3, complete suit, trousers, shirt, coat, and a tie are highly desirable. Number 4, neat trousers, shirt, and a tie are good. Number 5, native wears are also allowed, but they should be moderate and smart. They should be made complete. Moreover, that should not cause any kind of distraction. Number 6, wicked, tattered, or dirty jeans, as well as t-shirts, are not allowed. Number 7, whenever a man puts up trousers and shirt, the shirt must not be left flying. Rather, it should be properly tucked in. Number 8, a combination of English and native wears is not allowed. Number 9, only covered shoes, canvas, and sandals are allowed. On no account should a student teacher put on slippers. Number 10, student's dress should not disturb or cause him any kind of uneasiness. Similarly, it should not distract the attention of others. And for ladies' wears, you as a lady should know the following. Number 1, ladies are dignified individuals and should on no account engage in dressing to kill. Number 2, simple, non-destructive, smart, and very neat wears should be the desire of all female students. Number 3, corporate wears are desirable. Number 4, skirt suit is highly desirable. Number 5. On no account should ladies put on trousers during teaching practice. Number 6. Native wears are also allowed, but they should be moderate and smart. They should be made complete. Moreover, that should not cause any kind of distraction. Number 7. Ladies' skirt must touch the knee. It shouldn't be too short or too tight to cause inconveniences or prevent the person from bending down to pick something on the floor. Number 8. Ladies' wears must cover the whole chest. On no account should any part of the breast be seen outside. Number 9. A combination of English and native wears is not allowed. Number 10. Only cover shoes, canvas and sandals are allowed. On no account should a student teacher put on slippers. In conclusion, since teachers are regarded as the nation builders, being the tutors of the leaders of tomorrow, all student teachers must then be very careful not to mislead this young generation. There are two kinds of curriculum: the written and the unwritten. The written curriculum is what we actually teach in class, on the basis of which students are examined, while the unwritten curriculum includes everything the teacher does in the presence of the students, which automatically includes the way the teacher dresses. Incidentally, students learn the unwritten curriculum faster than the written ones. This is why we must be careful about what we put on. Teachers must lead by example and do everything possible to prevent them from being insulted. With this, we have come to the end of this lecture titled Dress Code During Teaching Practice. It was prepared by Dr. R.A. Animasham from the Department of Counseling and Human Development Studies, University of Ibadan, Nigeria. This has been a production of the Distance Learning Center, University of Ibadan. Thank you for your patience.